Hello. In this Bing image creator tutorial, there are so many other things you can actually achieve using this tool. In my previous videos, we have already created a couple of images, made them, they looked beautiful, we were satisfied with the way they were. But the interesting thing is, there are still so many things you can achieve using this tool. Let's try a couple of stuff. Let's look for let's say beautiful houses. Let's say we are looking for beautiful city houses. So let's just create this and see what it will look like. So the features I'm trying for us to use now are like the camera angles, the lighting. Sometimes you never knew that this kind of features exist when you are using AI. So these are the images generated from different angles, right? But then we can actually improve this in a way. Let's say in a let's say something like in a golden hour. Let's see what it will look like. So by adding these adjectives, for example, you are going to keep on improving on the images that you generated. So look at what it looks like now. So we can also say something like cinematic lighting, for example. Let's remove this. Uh, let's say with cinematic lighting. Let's create it. So after this, we are going to, there are so many options actually, so many things that you could, I don't know if this has already run. So there are so many other options that you could add, or so many different descriptions that you could use. And when we finish this, we are going to also add like, okay, you see, so cinematic lighting. Now, that's what it looks like. If you wanted, we could also try something like a studio. Let's try something like studio lighting and create. So what it's like the possibilities are endless. You can try a whole lot of different things. That's why sometimes when you go on the internet, you see all these AI generated images that look incredible. So you see, so now this one has studio lighting. So this is how you can easily use different use lighting to improve the images that you are creating using AI. So I hope this has been wonderful. I hope you loved it. If so, I want you to really add some comments. Let me know what you think. Subscribe, please share, and see you soon. Thank you.